What advantages does DGOS, launched by Feocey, have over other products in the field of secondary development for IoT devices? DGOS shields underlying system differences, enabling developers to easily develop and run applications on low-configuration IoT devices using JavaScript. Simply install VS Code and the DGOS plugin on your computer, then connect a compatible device to perform code writing, debugging, and other operations. In contrast, most traditional manufacturers do not open up their complete development capabilities. Even if they provide an SDK, it is often proprietary and difficult to develop with. Moreover, it requires setting up a cross-compilation environment, installing drivers, configuring makefiles, preparing flashing tools, etc., making the configuration process cumbersome and error-prone. With DGOS, modified code can be directly hot updated to the device without the need to recompile the firmware. For example, you can call the device's temperature sensor, easily implement OTA updates, change the device interface, send scheduled tasks, etc., with just a few lines of simple code. For instance, sending a captured image from a camera via MQTT only requires one line of code. Furthermore, once you have written JavaScript code, it can run on all different models of devices with embedded DGOS without needing to worry about their underlying code. Obviously, JavaScript has a simple syntax, and the official documentation provides comprehensive API references, sample codes, etc. On this basis, developers only need to focus on their own business logic. These are conveniences that traditional SDK development can hardly match. Developing with simple and easy-to-understand JavaScript is extremely easy to get started with, suitable for beginners and application developers to quickly develop formal production business applications. More devices compatible with DGOS are being continuously updated.